hunting of sea lions is a huge threat to their survival. In some areas, they are hunted as a source of food. This is allowed in some remote areas where Eskimos and Native Americans live. Yet they only hunt what they need to survive on, instead of doing it to get rid of the animals or to make a profit. They have a great deal of respect for the sea lions, and they value the benefits they get from them. The majority of sea lions that are hunted are killed for the sport of it. Many hunters find it thrilling as well as challenging to kill sea lions. Poaching is one of the most imminent threats. For more information about sea lions, you can visit this website. Faster.
There you go. That's good. No, I think that's good because.
Lights, camera, action!
Yeah, there you go.
It's as good as we're getting.
Dude, make the music fun!
So, what are you in here for?
Well, I lost my family in a house fire. I couldn't find them because of all the smoke.
Oh my gosh, I feel so sorry for you.
Oh, thanks.
So, did you bring an emergency kit?
What's an emergency kit?
An emergency kit is a bag full of documents, a bag full of money, and bagging, and a first aid kit.
Ow!
And water, in case you're thirsty. And a book to keep you occupied. And food in case you're hungry.
Scrabbles!
Scruff.
Everything's gonna be okay. Oh, Scruffles. Oh, Scruffles.
Stop it.
What's
Go away.
the next part in the scene, Riley?
Go away.